Initiate the automated assay sequence immediately. We need the breakdown on these geological textures.
Acknowledged. Uploading now.
Intake is stable at 500 tons per hour.
Acknowledged. Divert the high-grade stream to processing unit 3.
Intake levels are stable. We are ready for phase 2. Acknowledged. Initiating robotic sortation sequence.
Flow rate is optimal at 98.5%.
Acknowledged. The purity scan looks consistent.
Particle distribution is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect.
The pressure on the injection schematic seems slightly low. It's within tolerance. Let's optimize the flow for the new batch.
We're seeing a pressure drop here at the junction.
I see it. Opening valve 3 to stabilize the flow. P10 filtration system is exceeding expectations. We're achieving 99.9% purity on the first pass.
Truly remarkable efficiency, Doctor.
The separation process is fully engaged now. Look at the data stream. Incredible purity. The settling phase has begun.
Settling rate is optimized. We are exceeding the target metrics. Noted. The results are impressive.
Everything looks optimal here. The transfer sequence is secure.
Confirmed. The purity levels are exceeding projections.
We are maintaining the target temperature perfectly.
The sediment is glowing exactly as expected.
Readings look good. As you can see, the induction furnaces are reaching peak temperature. The concentrate is beginning to separate. How long?
Flow rate is exactly as projected. Good.
The purity levels look exceptional on this batch.
Temperature is holding steady at 1200 degrees Celsius. Flow rate looks optimal, minimizing impurities. Thermal gradient is stabilizing exactly as projected. Confirmed, engineer. Phase transition is a go.
Look at the crystallization on this batch. Truly flawless. The cooling process is optimal.
Output metrics are exceeding projections.
Yes, the efficiency rate is remarkable. purity levels are holding steady at 99.999%. All metrics are optimal. Confirmed. Releasing the batch for transport.
Purity on this batch is exceptional.
Indeed, the automated alignment is flawless.
Cross-referencing the spectral analysis now.
Yields are holding steady at 99.99%.
Alignment is perfect. Confirmed. Proceeding with the next sequence.
Assay results on pallet 7 are confirmed. Noted. We can move this batch to the vault. Look at the consistency on this batch. Remarkable precision, right on target. Alt pressure and alignment are optimal.
Acknowledged. Finalizing the secure lock sequence now. The purity reading is stable at 999.9. Confirmed. We can proceed with the transfer. Its ingot surface is flawless. Agreed. The new casting process is significantly more consistent.
Engraving metrics are holding steady at 99.8% precision.
Excellent. That bar is ready for transport.
The purity levels are stable at 999.9. Confirmed. The next batch is ready for sealing.
The robotic placement system ensures flawless delivery onto the velvet trays. Absolutely seamless. The precision is remarkable.
Container secured. Proceeding to refinement level 4. Acknowledged. All metrics are nominal.
Current load is secure. We are running 5 minutes ahead of schedule. Excellent. Ensure the manifest matches the holographic projection before final sealing.
Vehicle is secure. Proceed to checkpoint 3. Acknowledged. Secure transit.